All right, here we go. Okay, we're going to be adding integers with the rules. Adding integers with the rules. Adding integers with the rules. All right. If they're graded, yes. Not before, yes. Con Brambila. Ah, pues te digo. Okay. Now, yesterday, some of you are like, Miss O'Malley, I don't need the tiles. I know what to do. And I'm like, well, that's cool. Does anybody know what the rules are? Can someone like tell me, Miss O'Malley, I didn't need the tiles because I know what to do. And it's like, cool. What do you need to do? Okay, who wants to give me the rule? All right, go for it.
Do you have to use the tiles?
No.
No?
Okay, because, Javier, if I give you a number like negative 138 plus 73, do you want to draw, you don't have to write what's on here. Do you want to draw 138 negative tiles? No. Do you want to draw 73 positive tiles? I do not. I do not. So instead of that, I need the rule. So who can remember from 6th grade what the rules are? What are the rules? Andrew? Huh? Like that problem? Why would you say subtract? You're correct. So what is telling you in your head that you have to subtract? Why? Why? Yes? No. No, that's not why. I'm looking for the why. Because the why is the rule. So I'm looking to see why. I mean, someone was able to tell me second and first. So anybody in this class can tell me the why? Yes?
Because you add them both, and then you will get the right answer.
Yeah, so why are we not adding them both? Yes?
Because
The numbers are too large? Okay. All right, okay. So Andrew was correct in telling me you have to subtract. I'm asking Andrew, why does he have to subtract? What makes him subtract?
That's a problem.
You were good. You're good. That's just, yes, I know. All right. So here is the rule. Write this down. If the signs are different, you will subtract. If the signs are different, you will subtract. If the signs are different, you will subtract. This is the why. Sebastian? This is the why. Why am I subtracting? Because the signs are different. Now, Axel, it's kind of what you were telling me. Here, listen to the question. What about the sign? Is it going to be a positive answer or is it going to be a negative answer? It's going to be negative, but why? Bingo, exactly. He is correct. It is going to be a negative because there are more. Someone in my second period who will remain anonymous, David, said it's because it's bigger. Is this number bigger? No. This means you owe me $138. This means you have 73. So, would you rather owe me or have? Oh, is it broken?
Yeah.
So, Axel, you said it correctly. It's because they have 4. Okay. So,
Thank you.
if the signs are different, No, not keep. I'm going to ask you, what do you have more of? Question mark, quotation marks. Does anybody know what quotation marks are? In English, quotation marks? Right? It's like you're saying it, like quotation marks. Okay, what do you have more of? So, rule number 1. If the signs are different, you're going to subtract. So, we're going to subtract because they're different. And then you ask yourself, what do you have more of? Do you have more positives or do you have more negatives? So instead of doing the little tiles and the number line, we can use the rule. All right, what's rule number 2? So rule number 1 was about different signs. What do you think rule number 2 is? On this one, we're talking about different. Same. So what do I do if the signs are the same? You add. Very good. If the signs are the same, you will add. And you will add. I'm not done writing. There's an and in there. Porque no me dicen, no sé bien. All right. If the signs are if the signs are the same, you will add and. What do I do with the signs? Yes. What do I do with the signs? What is it? Make it the same. So, and we say keep. Keep the sign. Keep the sign. Wow. I'm pretty sure, based on what second period told me, Miss Bañuelos and Miss Benavente taught you these rules. So they're somewhere in your brain. You just have to put them in the front. Put them in the front. All right. So, for example, number 1. -2 plus -4. -2 plus -4. The first one is a negative, and this one's a negative. So, do you see how both of them are negative? Negative, negative. So, are they the same or are they different? Daniel, focus. Are they the same or different? They're the same. So, am I going to add or am I going to subtract? Add. Add because they're the same. So, they're the same. So, we're going to add and we get -6, right? So, pretty easy. But what if, number 2, I give you bigger numbers, like -58 plus 37. -58 plus 37. This is a positive or this is a negative? So this is a negative. This one, is this a positive or a negative? It's a positive. So are they the same or are they different? They're different. So are you going to add or are you going to subtract? If you have different letters, you're going to subtract. But do I rewrite it to subtraction? No. Keep it like that. On the side, subtract. On the side, subtract. So this is 21, right? Go over here. It equals 21. So do you have more negatives or do you have more positives? So don't forget to add the negative because there's more negatives than there are positives. If I were to draw them with tiles, I would have so many negative tiles left over. So many negative tiles. We okay? So this is what your 6th grade teacher probably showed you. 17 plus -8. 17 plus negative 8. This is number 3. All right. This is a positive. This is a negative. Positive. Andrew, write this down. Negative. So am I going to add or am I going to subtract?
Subtract.
Good. All right. What's 17 minus 8? 9. Do you have more positives or do you have more negatives? Way more positive. So I just leave my answer 9. Okay? All right. Number 4. Negative 48 plus negative 35. So look at them. Are they the same or are they different? Same. This is a negative. This is also a negative, right? So if they're both the same letter, no matter what letter, if they're just the same letter, you're going to add. And of course, we can go over here and add them, right? What do you get when you add them? I get 83. Now they're both negative, so I keep it a negative. Make sure you go back and put the negative. You can get this whole thing wrong if you don't put the negative. All right, let's do 3 problems on your own. 1, 2, 3. Negative 17 plus negative 18. 30 plus negative 22. Negative 17 plus 5. So we're doing these without the tiles. Now we're using the rules. If they're the same, add. If they're different, subtract. If they're the same, add. If they're different, subtract. So those 3 problems. I don't see anything. Are they the same or different? All right. What's number 1? Number 2? And number 3? They're the same. Negative, negative, add. What? Okay. Okay. I was feeling so happy that we got the right answers. Okay, so did you add these 2, Jaden?
Yes.
Did you add them? Did you get 35?
Yes.
Okay. Who questioned 12? So negative, positive, so you're going to subtract. You get 12. Do I have more negatives or do I have more positives? More negatives, so that's why we put a negative 12. Any questions? Are you sure? Okay. I didn't say this second period because I thought you would know. I'm going to give you a worksheet. You're not allowed to use a calculator. Can you believe someone was using a calculator? Like, no. You need to use paper and pencil, so you don't use a calculator. They don't use a calculator. No calculator. I love how you think it's a key. Oh, what was the key and she?
Oh.
They sat next to each other.
I heard David.
Yes, we need one more.
Okay, that's why I asked you. You need one more. Yep, they're pretty fast to do.
Wait, which one do we do?
So, Hannah, we're quietly getting to work, not distracting our neighbor who really needs a better grade. All right. So, number 1. If you know what to do, ignore me. Work. Number 1. What kind of number is that? A negative or a positive?
Negative.
Negative. I'm on the other side, Aiden. This one. Is this one a positive or a negative? Negative. So you see how there are 2 negatives? So are you going to add or are you going to subtract? If they're the same, we add. If they're different letters, subtract. And you can go on the side here and add them because we're not using a calculator. No calculator. So on the side, I'm going to add them. $75. When I add, I get 75. Now they're both negative, right? So don't forget to put the negative sign. Number 3, a positive, negative. Oh, I wrote different letters. So when I write different letters, I'm going to subtract. Same, add, different, subtract. Same, add, different, subtract. So we have this foldable that we are prepping for our test. So for Friday, same sign, add and keep, different sign, subtract. Keep the sign of what you have more of, then you'll be exact, which is what you have to do on this worksheet. If they're the same, you add. If they're different, you subtract. Okay, go ahead and do these 8 problems right here real fast. They're small numbers. You can't complain about the size of the numbers. These are pretty easy. Go.
A pretty big number at the very end.
A los números.
No, they're not. They're small.
At the end. 12. 14. I'm gonna use the measure.
All right, Marilyn, can you tell me the first answer? What's negative 6 plus negative 8? Thank you. Negative 14. Hannah, what's negative 2 plus negative 15? Okay, come on, because the bell's going to ring. Negative 17. No. Stop. This. Maria, what's 8 plus negative 12?
Negative 4.
Thank you. All right, Axel, what's 8 plus 15?
Wait, 8 plus 15?
15 plus 5. Oh.
Jade, what's negative 4 plus 17? Right here, this one. Yeah, negative 4 plus 17. What is it?
13.
Yep. All right, Laura, what's negative 6 plus 6? 0. Jaden, give me this one. This one.
I thought you said there's no big numbers.
Rolando?
Negative 177.
Okay, the last one.
Oh my god.
Negative what?
Dude, I could so.
Okay,
Rough luck.
homework.
No.
Then you'll have homework on Friday if you start complaining. Not complaining.
You can do that. What can you? Why you so okay?
Jaden, are you seriously complaining about this?
That's easy. That one's easy.
Those are big numbers.
Oh. We're going to do that for
Oh, wait, those are small numbers.
You guys gotta wait.
Gracias.